gonna do a look that, I mean, I'm sure most of you don't like to go all bright and, you know, jolly and on a rainy day. So I think something that suits a rainy day would be like a nice, subtle, neutral, smoky eye. You know, something in the brown family. I know I'm just making it look more dull, but that's how I feel on a rainy day. I feel really dull. So this is gonna be a rainy day look. I'm gonna be using a palette that I found in a drugstore, and I'm sure most of you are familiar with Wet n Wild. And this is the palette. It's so cheap, but the color payoff with this palette is amazing. I love it because you see how you have like the matte colors here, and then you have like the shimmery colors on this side. This one is called Vanity, and this is what it looks like. And this is the palette I'm going to be using today. So I'm gonna get started. Okay, I've already prepped my eye. I already did my brows. If you want to see how I did my brows, go to my brow tutorial. And now I'm gonna get started with the eyeshadows. Prime is already on. I want to mention that if you all know how I like to highlight my brows, I usually like to use a matte color, and it's usually vanilla from MAC. In this palette that I'm using today, it has a color in here. Doesn't specify exactly what that color is, but it's this one right over here. It's very similar to vanilla. It's an amazing color payoff, and it's actually even stronger than vanilla. So you want to go a little lighter than that, but it's very similar. Anyway, if you can find this, definitely I would recommend you buying this palette here. I mean, even if you just want it for the vanilla color here. This is what I'm going to be using on my brow bone. Okay, so I went to go get dressed, and then I realized that the color that I'm wearing is gonna be brown, which I already did, but I mixed green and brown, which you can see my scarf is green and brown. It's a little green and brown. So I went ahead and I took this look here, and I added a little green, because I like to match. And I put that underneath here and inside my, here in the inner rim. I'm gonna show you how I did that. What you guys think? You think it looked better with the green and brown? So after cleaning off the black eyeliner with a Q-tip, I'm going to apply the green eyeliner in the inner rim and the outer. So this is what it looks like with the green.